I'm Suchorita Dutta, an IT professional and a decor enthusiast. Welcome to my home. So in designing this home, I was really influenced by the Balinese tropical home style, and I've tried to incorporate a lot of it in my home in terms of colors and patterns and textures and even decor. So you will find everything has a very neutral palette to it. So this is my entrance garden. I have always wanted to have a house with a sprouting lawn. I'm very fond of succulents, so you will find a great collection of succulents here. I especially dig interesting planters, so you'll find a lot of them at my home. This special honeycomb, this was bought from Eucalyptus in Hyderabad. It's a very interesting store where you find a lot of lovely curios. Now let me show you around my living room. So this is the most favorite part of the house for us. When designing the space, we definitely had a theme in mind. Over the last 1 year, I have collected quite a few. As you can see, there are a lot of cowrie shell elements around the house. We are really fond of cowrie shells, and when I spotted this, I found that this is the exact fit for this space. So we have tried to preserve a part of our northeastern roots in the bedroom as well, in the shape of these bamboo blinds and the cane mat in the wardrobe shutters. This wooden frame is the piece, the resistance of this space. This has been sourced from Jaipur. I love Moroccan decor, and I've tried to incorporate a bit of it in the space as well in the form of these wooden lanterns. These are very well appreciated on Instagram. My followers especially love it. We got these handles customized from Kolkata. This represents the various shapes that my 5-year-old is currently learning, which is circle and triangle. Thank you LBB for visiting my home today. Guys, if you want to watch more such wonderful videos of home tours, do not forget to subscribe to Homely by LBB. Thank you.